Hello everyone. Another mock test series. So this is recording 8 November Nssb mocks from the Keystone Institute, right? So I'll be solving 30 questions, CSAT part. So let's give it a try. So the first one is from wrong number series. The wrong number series. Okay. So we have 2, 3, 6, 15, 45, 156.5 and 630. Right, let's give it a try. So now if we look it very closely, okay, so here it's increasing, right? Now we need to find the wrong number. So 2, 3, 3, 6, that means 3 2 times, and then here this is 2 times, this is 3 times. Is this 4 times? But now if you look very closely again, this is what, into 1.5 times or no? 1.5 means 1.5. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 ka half is 1. So 2 plus 1 will give us 3. 3 to the 6. Then this one should be 2.5. 2.5. So 6 2 times 12. Half of 6 is 3. Right? So 15. Pass. And then 15 3 times 45. Then this should be 3.5. So 3 times 45, 3 times will give us how much? 135, right? And half of 45 will give us how much? 0.5 means half. Half of 45 is 2.5. Then this will give us 157.5. Then this is the wrong one. This should be 156. No, 157.5 whole. Right? So the answer is this one. But we need to cross check again. Here the 3.5 was it, that means this should be 4 over you. So it into 4 gorilla 630% 903 in hand 28. Two in hand, right? 49 30 3 in hand and then 23 2 in hand 6 point is here. Yes, 630%. That means 156.5 is the wrong number. Next one is simplification go paro 45%. Alright, so ये repetition natali हो जाओ. So 45% means by 100 of x, of means into x, is means equal to 66 by 10. That means that it will multiply and then will plus, right? So 16 to 10 will give us 600. 600 plus 6 will give us 606 by 10. So here 606 by 10. Then they find the value of what? X. So 0 0 katia se. And then here 5 2 times, 5 9 times, 3 3 times, 3 2 times, 3 2 times. So here x is equal to 2 into 202 times will give us 404 divided by 3. 404 though, if we divide by 3, 3 1 times is 3, 10 as a 3 3 times is 9, 1 4 as a 3, 4 times is 12. Yete kyun baze 2 as a point talibo 0 as a 6 times is what? 18. Again 2 passes, that means 34.6666 continue China. So can we use 6 7? 134.666 in a China dagile 134.6 ide. This one is what? Equal to 5 or greater than 5. That means we will give 1. This becomes 7. Okay. Simplify this one. Alright, let's give it a try again. Now this can be 5 3 2 root over 15 5 3. Now we know a formula, right? A plus b whole squared, or a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, right? So let's try to bring that one. So the 8 as a, and the root over of what? 5 into 3 will give us 15 or no? So can we do this way? 5 plus 3 to 8 as a plus 2 as a into root 5 into root 3 will give us root 15 or no? Now 5 though, root 5 square is equal to 5 as na. Square square kati would na. That means it's root 5 root 3 whole square. Whole square, it will be whole square. Now usually though a square plus b square plus 2ab millions in a. So can we say root 5 plus root 3 whole square one na? So here the question to plunder is it can be either root 5 plus root 3 whole square. No be here root the will opposite question is root usually though root 5 plus root 3. So here either one. So it in a divine. To here in a digina the usually though it one na. That means root arrow 2 to cancel correlate. Here kina na pare usually though root 5 plus root 3 bracket root over to kiya 1 by 2 asana na into 2. Cancel correlate root 5 plus root 3 base. So let's say this is the answer. Okay, next we have another missing number. So 121, 61, 31, 16, and then question mark 4.75. That means descending order as a. Now this one is very easy. Yeah, the 121 as a. Alright, 121 day plus 1 kuri and are divided by 2 kuri. Yeah, the 1 2 2 divided by 2. That means here 2 6 times 2 1 times. Pass na nahi. So here be plus 1. That means 62 divided by 2 was na 31 pass na 62 divided by 2 will give us what? 62 divided by 2 will give us 31. So here yeah be 32 divided by 2, right? Plus 1 divu 16 pass. So here plus 1 will give us 17 by 2 or no? So 2 how much times? 8 times is 16.5. 8.5. 8.5 is the answer. Alright. Okay. Next one. 5 to Q there's a 0.5 of a number. So 0.5 of a number. So let's say 0.5 a number as a x could is equal to 0.07 of another. That means another number. So let's say y. So point to pilavido 5 by point ekta is a pilashulu 10 hai 7 by point to tikta na as a. That means here 10 hai. Cancel. Yes. So yede x as a y do anile divided by y is equal to 7 by 5 into 10 will give us 50. So 7 is to 50 una. That's the answer. Alright. Now regarding this question number 6, it will be ratio braze. Okay, ठीक है. So here in the ratio which is equal to 5 is to 8 in every cover na. The antecedent means what? We're talking about numerator, right? Itu najana manuando masekuru. So antecedent means numerator. Conjugate means denominator. So if this 5 is equal to 40 was. So how much times? 5 how much times? 5 8 times is 40 is none. That means yede iman par multiply kura julido yede be into 8 per kru like one. So 8 is there 64. So answer is 64. So it was easy. However, if you don't know what the word, if you're not familiar with the word, then kaldi guru do. Because yede you can take nichi be 8b 40 usually be it will be 5 also yes apni antecedent najani korilo denominator ki lolilo so yedi be into 5 korle yedi answer be 25 positive so answer to ye 25 be ase will be this is wrong right so the average of the first 71 natural number is natural numbers start from where from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till infinite really positive way ase whole number starts from 0 right integer mane negative bhi ase 0 bhi ase positive number bhi ase but not in terms of fraction right so here the average of the first 71 natural number ko ase average mane definition is what sum of observation divided by total number of observation sum of observation mane yede number natural number first 71 ko ase 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ina likina chahdo till 71 plus kuru lagibo so time nai itu so plus kuru so here we can do this way average hote ase thik ase sum bisaro nimide we can use a formula n bracket n plus 1 by 2 that's the formula to find the kiba ge bisarole sum ge and divided by total number of observation ase kiman chun ase kiman number 71 number ase so here n is what here n is the last number right so here 71 into 71 plus 1 either reciprocal marle 2 into 71 71 is cancel 71 plus 1 is 72 divided by 2 is what 36 so answer is 36 but again yete apni an itu calculation no green nabi you can find this way also sorry about that one now here 1 yete 1 ase 2 ase 3 ase yete 35 ase right 36 ase yete 37 ho here is what 69 70 71 ase yes number do ini ase so yete ekta khate ase uli do yete be ekta khate uparo right but this is applicable only when you have the same common difference that means yete sob to 1 1 1 difference ase 1 2 3 4 5 ina number jas uli do difference ke 1 plus 1 is 2 2 plus 1 is 3 3 plus 1 is 4 ina jas na to kida common difference to same ho one ekta both from the both the ends right left side par bhi right side par khate na ho so 2 khate dem de ide 70 khate ase 3 khate dem de 69 khate ase ina khate do 35 khate dem de 37 khate una nai because yedi 1 to 35 numbers ide 37 plus 71 tak pi 35 numbers so middle the kin the value banje se 36 banje se so we can say this is also the average now the same style yedi the mean maybe we can apply this one and we can say right away the answer is 33 is equal bro to yedi be option de 9 right option de 9 idone I believe equal marks dibo abdi onge so 33 will be the right one kile gulido yede saijuli do difference to 10 ase yedi be 10 ase yedi be 10 ase yedi be 10 ase na that means yedi kate ase itu pache ase or mean du ki ase average ase that means sob plus kurilu bi so plus kurina just divided by 5 kile mane kile 5 kurilu we have 5 numbers so 13 plus 23 plus 33 plus 43 plus 53 divided by 5 will give us again 33 so 33 is the correct answer okay now what question number 9 question number 9 is regarding partnership so A started a business with an investment of 7,000 ठीक है 7,000 bra capital ase tu and after 4 months B joined with the investment of 8,000 B 8,000 bra talina join kore ase holi B do join after 4 months only right that means A the 4 months already invest korina thakadam de B join koriche at the end of the year mane we have 12 months in a year so A was there from the starting right so A do 12 months pura invest kore ase na nai the difference between the profit share of A and B is okay that will come to that later part so is 2 yete B do tai 4 months late kurna aise. That means B do 4 months late kurna aise uli do out of 12 months de tai do 8 months ikla invest kurase na nai because 4 months late ase 8 months ikla invest kuru 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 3 times 4 4 times. So here 7 3s are 21. We have 4 8 times is 32. As per the question, the difference between the profit share. So profit share itula paisa de pak kura ase itula ratio de. So the difference kiman ase? This one will give us what 9 10 11 or no? Yes, 11 ase na 21 aro itu minus kule this will give us 11 ase. So this 11 is equal to this much. Right, this 11 is equal to 200 rupees. So total profit share was it? That means total profit share will be what? 21. Tai 21 parts power puisa do from the profit, and this one will get 32 parts or no? Yes, do pura pisa will. Then this one will give us how much? Yede 53 or no? So 53 pisa will. So yede one part will be what? 200 by 11 as a. Yes, 200 by 11. Now 53 parts pisa will do yede 53 into 1 as a. So here 200 by 11. Right. So I hope we didn't do any blunder. Let's give it a check. Yes, we did a blunder here because this is 4 3 times, this is 4 2 times is 8 or no? 4 2 times, that means 8 2 times is what? 16. So it is 16 as a, it also called 16 as a, alright. So it is 16 16 arrow 21 difference as a 5 as a, then one part will be what? 5 4. That means here total is how much? 37 as a 37. So into 5. One part is 200 by 5, right? So 5 1 times 5 40 times 0 evo 4 7 times is 28, 2 in hand, and then 4 3 times is 12 14. So 1480 1408 1480 the answer, option A as. Next one is also from the partnership again, alright. Now let's try to solve this one. Yeah, the A, B, C started a business with the investment of rupees X. Yeah, do puisa kiman ase na jane. Rupees X chalo aina ase. Alag wala do B do X plus 500 ase, and C do 2 times of X ase. Respectively, one we can say A laga do X ase, B laga do X plus 500 tibu paribo, and then this one is 2X in a go paribo because of the word respectively. And after 12 months C left. That means C do 12 months ikla invest kurse. ठीक है C do 12 months ikla invest kurese. At the end of 2 years, that means they invested for 2 years. ठीक है so A, B और C la ratio to kina ho. A invested for 24 months. That means the X capital do 24 months. That because 24 months is what? 2 years, right? B do X plus 500 capital do tai be 24 months ho, because 2 years as a 24 months invest kure. C do 2X capital as a only tai do only 1 year invest kure. That means 1 year de 12 months as a. So here 12 times is 24 is cancelled, so we are getting X plus 500, and then here X pass na nai dagala profit la ratio do itula sabde puisa do pa kuro laigo. So yede total profit is rupees 5200. The difference between the share, okay, total profit to 5200 is equal. So total profit mane X plus 500 it wasn't nai. So X plus 500 A laga or B laga plus C laga milaina 5200 total profit ase. So X tinda se, this will give us 3X is equal to 500 to pataile 5200 de 500 pilashili lo kiman ho 4700 hobo na ne. Yes, so yede is it divisible by 3? No, so X is equal to 4700 by 3. Yes, iman puisa katiu baru. Right, volume point you low, for which I'm keeping it that way. Now here in the question it says the difference between the profit share of A and B is rupees 1000. So A and B la matrola difference kiman ase 1000 ase 1000 ase thik ase. Now we need to find the value of x. Alright, so now the value of x to one yede we give it a try. Yede ekta try kuri sashe holi bi one pa nai. Yes, katibo na pare 3 1 times 3, then it's not possible, right? So let's give it another try. Right, alag style divi try kuri sao. तो yate let's try with the help of this one. Profit share of A and B is 1000. Right, difference between, so profit share of A la puisa or B la puisa do milai chuli do 1000 as equals. ठीक है. So let's forget about this one for now. Okay, so now यदि A la share to किमान हो, यदि A la share will be total किमान बचे तो x plus this one. So here 3x plus 500 and A share is what? X as none. Right, let's say total profit though B as you. Right, let's say total profit is B. We know B la value is what? 5200, but we're just keeping it that way. Right, now B la share also, B la share will be, B's share will be total the same here, that one be 3x plus 500. Yes, 3x plus 500 to hobo. Will be yade B la given say x plus 500 as nane into P as. So as per the question, the difference to 1000 as equal, right? If their difference is 1000, then alright. So now if the difference is 1000, so here yade A difference of B do in a gujuli do x by 3x plus 500 difference of x plus 500 divided by 3x plus 500. Yade B do could is a common solution, so into B do command is 5200 in a low border one. Yes, and then the difference is how much? 1000, right? So now can we write 1000 here? This is possible. This is possible. Now here 1000 as a, yes, it's clearly mentioned in the question. LCM usually do yadi kiman hobo 3x plus 500 to LCM as a x to yade kiman as a x likhibo paribo difference of x. Yes, and then what do we have here? Difference thakile to ke ase subtract kore ase yati do yadi bi difference in a aili bi kunoi de into 5200. So here x or x to cancel group difference as it, that means 1 plus ilu, right? Difference mane, that's the meaning of difference, right? Difference to answer to minus yo paile bi plus ilu, so minus 500 you know 500 losing 1 divided by 3x plus 500 into 5250. 5250 yade 1000 as it 1000. So 0 0 0 to cancel kura se aro iti ekta, that means it ekta, right? This should be 0 because 5200, right? So now cross multiply gule 3x plus 500 is equal to 5 how much times? 0 times 0, 5 2 times is 10, 1 and n, 5 5 is 25, 26. Yes, now let's try to solve this one. 3x is equal to 2600, 500 to patale minus 500. So now x is equal to 2600 minus 500 will give us 2100 divided by 3 to the 3 how much times 700 times. That means answer is what? 700. I think we have in the option. Yes, A is the answer. Okay, let's give it a try for this one. This is from the topic ages, right? Ratio proportion divided. So the ratio between the present age of A and B is 8 9 ase. That's the ratio to 8 or 9. Yete kundu tangola ase. B is what? Older, right? Because B is 9 parts and A is 9 parts. B is 5 years older than A. That means that's the difference to parts. One part is 8 or 9 difference to one part. One part is equal to 5 years quasi. What will be the ratio of the age of A and B after 5 years? If one part is 5 years, that means 8 part will be what? Present age A or B. A la present age will be 8, 5 times is 40, and then 9, 5 times is 45. But future, yes, after means future is na. After 5 years, they become no cause. That means that 40 A or B do 40 to 45 and then 45 to 50. So here 5 9 times and 5 10 times. So 9 is to 10 is yes, that's the answer. That's the answer. Mohit is younger than Sohit by 4 years. So here Sohit is elder than Mohit. If Mohit is younger than Sohit, that means Sohit is elder than Mohit. If their ages are in the respective ratio of 3 to 5. 3 to 5 mane ratio the number kuno tangola ase tai tangola lage jau. So ye Sohit is older, right? 5 ase ye 3 ase. That is no ratio. Yes, to the difference to kiman ase 2 parts ase na 3 or 5 la difference to 2 parts ase. Now as per the question, Mohit is 4 years younger. That means that you know difference to 4 over na. So one part is equal to what? 2 1 times 2 2 times. This will give us 2. So Mohit's age will be what? Mohit's age will be 2. 1 part is equal to 2. That means it is 3 parts as 9. So 3 into 2 will give us what? 6. 6 years. Okay, this one is from time in work, right? Time in work. So here A alone complete the work in 16 days. So if A can finish the work in 16 days, 1 day work will be 1 by 60. It's very important to convert in terms of 1 day work. Tai 16 days they come kutum gradually do 18 day tai 1 by 16 as it's not 1 by 60, right? Now next one is, and the efficiency of A is 25% less than efficiency of B quasi. So in this case, one can you bro. In terms of efficiency, A is what? 25% less, right? So efficiency of B minus 25% of B over na efficiency of B. So yedi kiman base mon? Kiman po? Yedi efficiency of B ठीक है minus 0.5 less as na less as so here let's take B common usually do 1 minus 25 by 100 होगा ना percent means 25 by 100 यदि B common लो आसे A दो mon 1 day work लो किमान आसे A लगा दो 1 by 16 आसे ना from here we know 1 by 16 आसे so here यदि B दो 1 minus 0.25 हो ना इधर नीचे दे 0 जुड़ा तो बिला जुड़े तो ऊपर point है वो जुड़ा ही ना so 1 minus 0.5 will give us what 0.75 or no यदि 1 by 16 is yes so 1 by 16 is equal to B as a into 75 point to बिला जुड़े तो 100 as a right so यदि 25 3 times 25 4 times or no yes so it is the one efficiency B किमान बहु ना नहीं B लवी efficiency बहु दो efficiency of B will be what 3 will come down 4 will come up and or we can get so 4 1 times 4 4 times 3 4s are 12 that means B is equal to 3 to नीचे जाओ 1 by 12 होश ना नहीं So B la 1 day work is what? 1 by 12 paise. A la 1 day work is already given in the question that A can finish the work in 16 days. Alright, now if we look again very closely, next to Kiaze, they are asking us to find A, B, C together can complete the work in 6 days. Taran dinju milana 6 days. So in how many days C alone can complete the work? So either A jane, B jane, aro A, B, C milaina 6 days to C pajona. Yes. So yede A plus B plus C do 6 days. So 1 day work will be 1 by 6. A la 1 day work is 1 by 16. B la 1 day work is what? 1 by 12. C la 1 day work is 1 by C is equal to 1 by 6. So yede 1 by C rakina 1 by 6 minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 12 होना नहीं. Right side लुई जले मन हो. तो यदे LCM will be what? LCM will be 6, 16 और 12 ला LCM तो किमान है? 48 होना नहीं. 48 हो. किले मानोले you can find this way also. 6, 16, 12 kuna 3 2 times, 16 times, 3 4 times, and then 2 1 times, 2 8 times, 2 2 times, and then 2 1 times, 4 times, 2 1 times, 2 1 2 1, and 2 1 1 1. That means here 3 to the 6, 6 4s are 24, 24, 3 to the 6, 6 2 times is 12, 12 2 times is 24, and 24 2 times is 48. So 6 how much times? 6 8 times. So 8 1 times is 8. 16 how much times? 3 times. 3 1 times is 3. 12 how much times? 4 times. So 4 1 times is 4. So ये दे mon की पास है. 1 by C is equal to 8 minus 7 by 48 pass है ना. So 1 by C is equal to 1 by 48. So 1 day work of C is what? 1 by 48. That means C can finish the whole work in how many days? C can finish the whole work in 48 days. So that's the answer. 48 days I say. Yes, option C is the answer. Next one. Next one is again from time in work. Right, time in work per se. A, B and C together can complete the work in 16 days. If A, B and C started to work together after 4 days, A left. So as per the question, A plus B plus C milaina 16 days they काम कुतुम गरे 1 day work is 1 by 16. So 18 la काम दो 1 by 16 parts कुतुम गरे तान दिनुन ब्रा. Now A, B, C started the work together, but after 4 days question that means they work for 4 days or no? 4 days to तान इकलू काम गरे. So 1 day work to तान इकलू करा दो 1 day work to 1 by 16 as we do. 4 day work will be what? 1 by 16. 1 day work into 4 days will give us 1 by 4 of the work done. Come do 1 by 4 of the work can be done while working for 4 days together. Right? After 4 days, A charge. In our C or B do can complete the remaining work in 24 days. To come bacha do 24 days de kutum gudi Kunbra B or C bra. B or C bra. In how many days A alone can complete the work? So now, the remaining work is right? 1 by 4 to Kutum Grishe Kamdo. To remaining work to Kimano. Remaining work will be Yede Nichide 4 as a opposite 1 as a right. 1 by 4 of the work is done. We do 3 by 4 Kampachu. Will be Dukinana by Julido, Nichide 4 as a 4 like as a opode 4 hole nichide kiman value ase iman do opori lage ase to idone opori 4 hole ni mide 1 3 lage ase. Yes, because 1 is already there. 1 plus 3 will give us 4. Idone yede 3 like ase. Alright, now this was done by who? Remaining work in 24 days. So this was done by C arrows B work kurishe kiman din 24 days. Yes, 24 days as a. So you did 3 1 times 3 8 times. So B plus C is equal to 8 4 times is 32. That means B plus C milaina 1 day work will be 1 by 32 and they can finish the work in 32 days. Now coming back to this one, right? Let's say this is equation 1. B arrow C milaina 1 by 32 days was a B C milaina 1 by 16 days was a. So equation 1 equation 1 becomes A la this na A can finish the work in how many days? That means A la 1 day work is 1 by A. B arrow C to give 1 by 1 day work la 1 by 32 no is equal to 1 by 16. So 1 by A is equal to 1 by 16 minus 1 by 32. LCM of 16 and 32 is what? 32 is. Alright, sorry. Now here 16 2 times, 2 was there, 1 times. So I think the answer is 32. Yeah, 1 by A as it is. So 1 by A, 2 minus 1 is 1 by 32. So here A can finish the work in how many days? 32 days. Answer is 32. Okay, now we have question number 15. This is from reasoning syllogism. Some bags are marks. Statement ki dina se some part of bags belongs to mark. And all boxes are marked. Boxes sob to mark ase. So mark la under de boxes tagyo. At least means we're talking about some. Some ek was it. So some bag are boxes. Bag are boxes to Dutch kurna se. They are not even touching. Yes. So answer is false. All marks being boxes is a possibility. Mark sob to boxes la under de kushule possible ase. Mark sob to boxes de kushule paribo kile boli do yede iku restrict korna nai na paribo korna de ku nai. So mark sob to boxes under de kushu boli bi pari jabo. Idone answer do this is true. Possibility hote ase for which B is the right one. Right, only conclusion to it follows. Okay. So it's a bit tricky, and if you don't have proper foundation power natagili do itula, you will get puzzle, right, for sure. Anyway, let's try this one together again. All shirts are pen. So shirts sob to pens ase. And all bands are belt. Pen sob to belt ase. Some bands being belt shirt is a possibility. So yede possibility agani na possibility is a negative for, right? So possibility agane we have some imaginary dagam dagiche. Question number 15 dibi possibility agane one imaginary dagam dagiche. So pen sob to shirt kushu paru pen sob to shirt kushu paru because ede iku ruka baji nai statement de na paru wina ku guina nai. So pen sob to shirt kushu boli pare ase boli do possibility do true ase. Some pens are not built. So some not case de this is also negative word, right? Negative word ase. So some not de pen sob to belt de kushu paru na. So pen sob to belt de already kushina ase. Yes, already kushina ase. So answer will be already kushina dagine. Answer is what? False. Alright, so here yate only conclusion 1 follows. Right, only conclusion 1 follows will be the correct answer. Okay. Next one. So this is coding and decoding. Coding decoding ase. So yede we need to write the alphabet first. So here A, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Mukili ina likya simili do sometimes A la letter do takan Z pi chulai opposite letter. So for that case mo ine likhe je noli to horizontal dibi likhibo paro. So right, it's up to you. So F O R G E T, forget the D P P H C U ase. So yede F taka do yede ito ase. So -2 or no, -2 ase, -2. O taka do B ase, that means +1 ase, +1. yede R taka do B ase, R taka do yede minus ase. Yes, R taka do -1 -2. So here -2 +1 -2 +1 ja ase. तो doctor भी -2 ले D ला -2 will B. So B was शुरू करो तो कुन ase itu no, right? तीनदा से O लगा दो +1. So O ला +1 is B. सबते ase, ठीक है से. C लगा दो -2 will give us C, तो ये जैसे -2 will give us A or no, A. D लगा दो U दिवो. So P B A U. So this is omitted. No, ठीक है से. So far ठीक है से. This is omitted, right? Because U as a, the R as a. Now here, यदि O लगा -2 ना नहीं, because T तो +1 था इसना. So O लगा तो -2 इले M है वो ना नहीं. So ये M है वो. UM. तो ये B as a. This is wrong. So 70 is the answer. A is the answer. All right. Let's check this one once more. All shirts are pants. All pants are pale. Okay. Alright. So here we did a blunder, right? Some bands pink shirt is a possibility. तो ये दे possibility ना. Possibility दे repetition word ना लगे दे. So statement de one statement bro Venn diagram bana do. Shirt soap to pen banashe, pen soap to belt banashe. Yes, some bands pink shirt quasi. So some bands pink shirt to already some part of bands belongs to shirt or no. So it is a repetition word as a repetition word as it will be false. It one neither one nor two follows us. Alright, question number 15 DV, let's check. Possibility ला दो. यदि possibility ला दो, यदि all mark pink boxes is a possibility. All marks pink boxes is a possibility. So mark soap to box ला अंदर दे नहीं ना. Boxes soap to ही mark ला अंदर जैसे. So इधर तो repetition है तो. इधर वाले मुआं तो पारू को देखिए. पारू ने इधर true देखिए. Right, so do not get mix up recurring that one also. Possibility दे repetition word from this statement though not required. It will be always false. Okay, so let's use this one again and find this Noida STN, ठीक है से. So now ये N Noida IDA STNIF ऐसे. N दो किनारे S हो जाए. N दो plus takes. So here 1 2 3 4 5 or no, +5. So +5 takes. O do 1 2 3 4 5 +5 was it. O la आगे दे +5. I आगे जाजुले plus पीछे जाजुले तो minus, right? I लगा दो +5 or no, 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, +5. So +5 was it. So ये दे mirror. यदि भी सब +5 होगा, M लगा +5 will be what? M लगा 1 2 3 4 5 R आजे. So R बस शुरू कर से A शुरू न करे, that means it's cancel. E लगा +5 1 2 3 4 5 J आजे. Yes, so ये दे this is also wrong because J वो लगे वो. And R लगा +5, R लगा दो 1 2 3 4 5 W आजे. Alright. And then U लगा दो +5 1 2 3 4 5 Z ऐसे, ठीक है से. फिर भी सेम ही फॉलो कर से. D लगा दो +5 तो 1 2 3 4 5 Y ऐसे. So here the V is na, that means C is the correct option. Okay, so this is also coding and decoding, right? Nssb is very common. If red is called dog, dog is called mongoose, mongoose is called lion, lion is called snake, snake is called elephant, which is reared as pet. So here dog hobo, only dog is called what? Dog is called mongoose, right? So the answer is mongoose. Mon bet chulado dog is it, right? But dog is called what? Mongoose. Okay, next one. This is also from reasoning, blood relation, right? So A, B, C, I, J, and K are 6 family members. J is son of I. J is son of I. Who means we're talking about I is not the mother of J. So if I is not the mother of J, and we know J laga parent ase I do, so father wona nahi. And then I'm using male as box chula ase, female ko circle chula. B is brother of I. So B is brother of I. B is brother means male ase. K and I are married couple. K and I are married couple ko lido. K and I are married. That means if I is male, that means K is female. C is daughter of K. C is daughter of K. That means J laga sister ko na nahi. Who means we're talking about K. Sister of A. So K is sister of A. A la sister is A. But one gender na jane A la do. So how is J related to C? So 2 digo na ho. C as na, so C over J ki na mati ho. So C over J ke brother is A. Brother is the answer. Question number 20. So 20 is same. 21 or 20 the same question as A, just that the last one. The family has how many female members? Female members. So 1 as A, 2 as A. But this can be male also, this can be female also, no? We never know. So it's either 2 or 3 as A. But option there, 2 or 3 nai. Yes, either 2 or 3, we'll take that one. But it can be 2 also, it can be 3 also. So answer is, can't be determined. This one is from direction. Okay. So direction though, Deepak walk 20 meters towards north. See kase? Deepak it is going. Deepak is here. Tai north 20 meters jase. North child she will do upper jabo 20 meters jase. He turns left. Left means what? Upale and walk for 40 meters. Okay, 40 meters jase. He can turn left. Upale jase will left to kise. Niche bale wo. And then he walk 20 meters. So niche bale he 20 meters. 20 meters. Alright. Now this one are same as it. That means it will be 40 as it. He further move 20 meters after turning to the right. Itular niche bale sazilu right to kiman ho. Iti ho na. Kiman jase? 20 meters jase. How far is he from his original position? So original position here is. So here is shita sajilu. Alright. How far will do? We will never go the longer, but the always the shortcut travel like. So here the way manda pungcha to 40 as a. Here manda chado 20 as a. That means 60 as na. Answer is 60 as a. Right. Here stop n as a. Here ending as a. Here the original imanda as a. So here 20 or 40 as and this 40 was not mentioned, but again we know from the rectangle the kya length same take, breadth same take na. So if this breadth the 20 take, this 2 becomes what? 40 or no? Okay, again this is from direction again. Asha walked 3 kilometers southward and then okay, ठीक है से. Asha is here. Southward 3 kilometers जहाँ से. And then turns right and walk 2 kilometers. Right to ऊपर ले वो 2 kilometers से. She again turn right ऐसे ऊपर वाले जाओ right to 3 kilometers. So 3 kilometers ऐसे. So now again this is all same because 3 is it. This is 2, right? And turns towards her left. Her left means what? Left side over. And started starts walking straight. That means right, left pale straight pale jaase. In which direction is she walking now? She is going what? Towards left side, right? So yede north ase, yede east ase, w ase, south ase, and west ase na nai. So this way is what? West direction or no? West pale jaase na nai. So the answer is west. All right. Next one. So this is from classification. Yete select the one which is different from the other three responses. We have Arabic, we have Sindhi, and Hindi, German. Now if you look very closely, this is related to language, right? Now German is the answer. Why? Because Arabic, Sindhi, and Hindi is regarding what? Asia continent or no? Asia continent idu language kuda. German is what? Different continent, so German is the answer. 25 together. Select the one which is different from the other three responses. So gonorrhea, AIDS, cancer, health. So these A, B, C together regarding disease or no? So health is the answer. Alright. Okay. Next one. We have data interpretation. One data interpretation. Okay. Now this data interpretation is regarding a physics and chemistry subject. Average aggregate is given. Now total marks to kiman ase kulido we have 50 marks total as it marks out of 50 ko ase. So total marks is 50. We have 100 students. 100 students as a yete 9, yete 32, yete 80, 92 to kwado 10 marks and above part 92 chun ase. That means 0 to 10 pagan to kiman ase 100 ase. Oh, sorry, 0 to 10 pagando if 10 to and above. 10 and above means 10 to 50 pagando 92 chunazili. 0 to 10 pagando 8 chunazili, which is not mentioned in the table. 0 and above to get 100 students there, out of 50 marks there, minus student above. There's no negative mark here. So mando do exodo exam issue it will be what 100 students or no? 0 and above pagando. Yes, total marks to 50 as a, but 0 to 50 pagando 100 chundo 100 tagyo. 10 and above means what? 10 arrow above pagando 92 chun as a. 20 and above means 20 arrow 50. La majority pagando 80 chun as a. Arrow 30 and above means what? 30 arrow 50. Majority 32 chun as a. Arrow 40 arrow above te 9 chun as a. Idu wala as a. Alright. So this represents what students, right? 9 students, 32 students, 80 students, 92 students, 100 students, and it's clearly mentioned that there what 100 students are there. One physics or chemistry there. Okay, from the table, alag kunai. Let's go to the question right away. Question number 26 there. If it is known that at least 23 students were eligible for a symposium on chemistry, then the minimum qualifying marks in chemistry for eligibility to symposium would lie in the range. Okay, dikase. To yede table this actually do 30 and above in chemistry do 21 chunasana nai. Yes. Now aro yede actually do 20 and above chemistry de 66 asana nai. Yes. So now, as I've mentioned earlier, yade moi koise 0 and above the 100 juna se, 10 and above the 92 juna se. That means 10 aro 0 la machore 8 juna se. Yes, itu nishina. Muigan 30 and above the 21 juna se, 20 and above kando 66 ase, which includes these 21 students also. Right? So yade kiman hobo? One subtract korile. If we subtract 66 and 21, then are we getting 45? Yes. Now again, the number of students who scored 30 and above is what? 21 as it? 21 as it? 21 as it? 30 and above 21 as it? So question pa hote ado at least kima bobo lage 23 students were eligible ko asna. Then the minimum qualifying marks must be in the range where 20 to 30 machore. Right, 20 or 30 li machore, 20 or 30 li machore, more 23 students to low baro. So 20 or 30 is the answer. Alright. Next one. The number of students scoring less than 40% marks in aggregate. ठीक है. So if 40% marks in aggregate was total marks किमान है 50 है 40% was 40 by 100 as 20 that means it 20% 20 marks as. So now the number of students who scored 20 and above they aggregate लागुता was that means aggregate किमान है 73 है. Yes, 73. So aggregate though 20 and above they 73 is. Total number of students किमान है total students किमान है x was ना. Yes. Then here at least 40% marks to aggregate हो लागो. So less than hotia say that means 20 marks to more 40% aggregate to 20 paishina. That means 20 less pound kima jano. That means here 20 and above to 73 the actually total there 73 to minus kurde kima jana say 27 jana sana. So this 27 is the answer on 28. The percentage of marks of students getting at least 60 marks in chemistry. 60 marks in chemistry. So chemistry to be full marks to 50 as a to 60% as a means 60 by 100 20 at least means 30 to power lage. Yes. So at least 30 pagan to kiman juna chemistry de from the table 30 and above means at least 30 right. So 21 juna okay. So at least 30 and above. So let's say 30 and above the chemistry day we have 21. Now 40%, yeah, the question again 40% over those getting at least 40% marks in aggregate. So 40% marks in aggregate to kiman ase? Again 50 into 40 by 100, 40% of 50 could price it. Total to ke total marks is 50 right? 100 to get that's not the marks right 100 to get the number of students kata adu gurle yede 20 is. So 20 and above la aggregate to we just did in question number 27 that we know it's 73 on aggregate la to 73 is na. Yes. So talking about there's a percentage with this so approximately percentage. So here aggregate of 30 and above is what 21 and aggregate of what 20 and above is what 73 right? Chemistry day into 100. So we cannot cancel this one, so we need to divide it. So 2100 by 73 2 times means here 6 14 because 3 times will cross 210 upward out. So ये 4 as a ये 6 as a 0 as a. Let's try with 8 times. 8 3 is 24, 2 in hand, 56, 57, 58. And then here we have 6, here we have 3, that means here 5 evo, 0 evo, point evo. Now we're gonna take 8, but we can take 7. So 28.7 will be approximately what? Will be approximately to 29%. That's the answer. If at least 60 marks in physics are required. So out of 50 day 60% কিমান হ'ব এতিয়া বি 30 হ'ব না নাই কাটাকাটি কৰিলে we'll get 30 for pursuing higher studies in physics ঠিক আছে so 30 marks পাব লাগিব higher studies চাবলৈ so 30 and above কিমান জন আছে physics day 30 and above physics day we have 32 জন আছে this one 32 so now let's write this one as 32 right 32 জন আছে how many students will be eligible to pursue higher studies in physics that means 32 জন আছে বলি তো 30 and above the minimum to 30 to পাব লাগে না because 60% of 50 is 30 so 30 and above to 32 জন পাই না যায় so 32 will be the eligible or no 32 students will be eligible or no so 32 is the answer what is the difference between the number of students passed in 30 as cutoff marks in chemistry ঠিক আছে so if 30 is the pass mark for chemistry 30 and above to কিমান জন আছে chemistry তে 21 জন আছে এতে 30 and above 21 জন আছে so 21 30 and above in chemistry to 21 জন আছে and those pass with 30 as a cutoff marks in aggregate to aggregate we have 27 আছে না নাই yes 27 আছে so 21 27 minus কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব ডিফাৰেন্স হৈ যাইছে minus কৰিব লাগিব yes 27 so 21 minus 27 difference কৰি আছে so answer no plus তে পাব this will be what 6 আছে না নাই answer is 6 so yeah that's 30 questions I believe আপনি আন করে দাম দিবি answer to বেশিরভাগ অনলাইন না থাকো পারে alright so yeah thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next mock test series right okay thank you